tigers are generally larger than lions. An adult male tiger can weigh up to 300 kilograms, 660 pounds, while an adult male lion can weigh up to 190 kilograms, 420 pounds. However, female tigers are smaller than male lions, with adult female tigers weighing up to 180 kilograms, 400 pounds, and adult female lions weighing up to 130 kilograms, 290 pounds. Appearance: both tigers and lions have distinctive coats, but they differ in color and pattern. Tigers have a reddish-orange coat with black stripes, while lions have a tawny coat with no stripes. Tigers also have a longer and thicker coat than lions, which helps keep them warm in the cold climates they inhabit. Features: both tigers and lions have a mane, which is a ring of hair around the neck and head. However, the mane of a lion is much larger and more pronounced than that of a tiger. Tigers also have distinctive white patches on the back of their ears and on their forehead, which may help communicate with other tigers. Hunting: both tigers and lions are carnivores and hunt their prey. However, they have different hunting strategies. Tigers are solitary hunters and prefer to ambush their prey from behind. Lions, on the other hand, are group hunters and use a combination of stalking and chasing to catch their prey. Tigers are generally solitary animals and only come together to mate or raise cubs. Lions, on the other hand, are highly social animals and live in groups called prides. A pride consists of several females, their cubs, and a group of related males. The females do most of the hunting for the group, while the males protect the pride and defend their territory. Tigers are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and swamps. They are native to parts of Asia, including India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Russia. Lions, on the other hand, are found in grasslands and savannas. They are native to Africa and parts of India. Population: both tigers and lions are endangered species, with the tiger being more critically endangered. The total population of tigers is estimated to be around 3,900, while the total population of lions is estimated to be around 20,000. Overall, while tigers and lions have some similarities, they also have many differences in terms of their physical characteristics, behavior, and habitat. Both tigers and lions primarily eat large mammals such as deer, antelope, and buffalo. However, tigers have a more varied diet and are also known to eat smaller animals such as birds, reptiles, and fish. Lions, on the other hand, tend to stick to larger prey and may scavenge on the kills of other predators if necessary. Both tigers and lions have a similar reproduction cycle. Female tigers and lions are polyestrous, meaning they can have multiple cycles of estrus, heat, within a year. When a female is in estrus, she becomes more vocal and will attract males with her scent. Gestation, pregnancy, lasts around 3 to 4 months for both species, and females give birth to a litter of 1 to 4 cubs. Female tigers and lions are responsible for raising the cubs on their own, with the male playing little to no role in their upbringing. Cubs are born blind and helpless, and they rely on their mothers for food and protection. Tigers and lions both have a long period of infancy, with cubs staying with their mothers for 2 to 3 years before reaching independence. Both tigers and lions are endangered species, but the tiger is considered to be more critically endangered. The main threats to both species include habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans. Conservation efforts for both species include habitat protection and restoration, anti-poaching patrols, and education campaigns. In conclusion, tigers and lions are two of the most iconic and majestic predators in the world. While they have some similarities, they also have many differences in terms of their physical characteristics, behavior, and habitat. Both species face numerous challenges and are in need of conservation efforts to ensure their survival.